Welcome to the So What box, where we help you discover the fun and creativity of sewing and improve your sojo. My name's Taylor, and today we are going to learn how to make reusable bowl covers. First, we need to gather all of our supplies. Then, take our handkerchief and lay it out flat with the bowl on top. Measure and mark around the bowl 2 inches away from the edge of the bowl. Once you have all of these marks, go ahead and cut around the bowl 2 inches away on your marks. Then let's iron this flat, and then we're going to fold over 1 inch. Once you're finished folding over 1 inch, we are going to go to the sewing machine and zigzag stitch just about 2 inches on one of these edges. So unfold that edge and zigzag stitch right on the edge for about 1 or 2 inches. This is going to be an opening for us to put elastic in. So here we can see that I just zigzagged right along the edge here. Once you've done that, we're going to fold that back over like we ironed it and start on the end of where we just zigzagged, so we won't go over that. But now we're going to zigzag along the edge as it's folded over. So you should be catching that raw edge and sewing it down onto the main part. This is going to create a tube for us to put the elastic through. Once you get back to where your first zigzag step started, go ahead and reverse stitch, and then we're still going to have a hole here. Now we need to measure our elastic. So we're going to kind of measure around the bowl where we want that to land, and then take about 1 or 2 inches off of that length and cut that piece of elastic. Now we need to feed that elastic through the tube that we sewed. And you can tell here that it's a hard job to do by just pushing that elastic through. So you're going to want to get one of these tube turner tools, and basically it is the best thing. So all we did was tie a knot in the end here of the elastic and put it through this little eye hole, and then now this works as a giant needle, and we can just easily thread this elastic right through. You can find those tube turner tools in our online store at sewwhatbox.com, spelled SEWWHATBOX.com. Now once you get your elastic through, we want to make sure that we've got a tail on both ends here, and then just tie a square knot. Then we're going to suck this into that hole, and then we're just going to sew that closed. Once you have that sewn closed, you're ready to use your bowl cover. I hope you had so much fun, and I look forward to seeing you in our next DIY video.